Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Cielo, Rojo in what's called the guide key, A minor. I'm going to have some of the sheet music up here on the screen for you to follow along, but if you would like your own copy, check the comments down below for your free download. So starting off, we have the notes are E, A, C. B, A, B, C, C. Just that much. Next we have the notes are D, C, B, A, G, D, F, E. Again, just that little part. After that, the notes are E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C, B, A. One more time, just that. Continue. We have B, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, C, B, C, B. Just that part. Let's try just that much, nice and slow. Now we're at letter A. Nice and slow. First we have E, A, then E, F natural, E, D. Next, E, F natural, D. Just that much. Okay, moving on. We have E to C natural, D, C, B, C, D, B. Just that measure. Continue. The notes are C natural to A, B, A, G sharp, A, B, G sharp, and finish that phrase with A. Fourth finger. Okay, so let's try all of this section at letter A very slow. Ready, and. So one thing to consider for this section is the arrangement. Some arrangements have the trumpet playing that fast part and others the violin. I personally prefer the trumpet to play that part and the violins would play the scale. Okay, so the trumpet would be playing and violins is just A, B, C natural, D, E, G sharp. That's just my personal preference. You can flip it around where the violins can play that da 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 dum and the trumpets bum bum play those scale notes. It's up to you. Moving on, we're at measure 13. So we had that last note A. So the notes are A, E, D, E, E, D, C, B, A. One more time. And the next measures repeat the same thing. And then here at the end, dotted half note with A, of course with the fourth finger so we can add that beautiful vibrato. One tip for these fast notes, it's easier if you already have some, if not all of the fingers already on the string. So you just have to pick up each finger. If not, have them super close. Sometimes we get these flying fingers and you're doing more work because you have to put down the finger and then lift it up, next one, and so on. And it's a lot more difficult. So try to keep them, if not on the string, at least very, very close. Now we're at letter B. This is right where the voice comes in. They can hold it however long they want. Solo, sin tu cariño. After they say cariño, we come in right with the tremolos. Okay, so first we have E. An easy way to find this, think of your fourth finger on the E string, B. Replace that with first finger now. You're in fourth position. First finger we have B. Second finger is C. D. And then fourth finger, E. Check the intonation with open string. Okay, and then you press very lightly on the string. That is called a harmonic. So we're in fourth position. Our first note is E, then D, C, and B. The same tip from earlier. Try to stay in the position. Keep your fingers down. If not, just very close to the string so that you're not guessing the next note. Right here, I have no idea what position I'm in. So I play E, and then for the next note D, I have to guess, it's a whole step, so somewhere around here. And then next note, C, way off. So if you already have the position in mind and the fingers close, you're going to be better in tune. Now we're at letter C. Let's start with the notes. First we have E, E, D sharp, E. Next, D, D sharp, D. Then C, C, B, C. B. That section, nice and slow. Ready, and. Okay, so that's just nice and slow so that we can get the rhythm more or less. Up to tempo would be about 1, 2, 3. Alright, now we're at measure 27. You don't have to play this part, I just put it in there for something a little bit fun. You can either just leave a measure of rest or a dotted half note. But for this arrangement, we have the notes are F natural, E, D, C, B, A, G sharp, F natural, E, D, C, B, A. Now a little more connected, still pretty slow. Ready, and. So for this bowing, we want to stay super close to the frog, definitely not the tip, okay? Fingers loose, wrist loose. Moving on, after letter D, we have so the notes are E, E, D sharp, E, A, C natural, E, D, D, C sharp, D, G, B, D, C, C, B, C, F, A, C, B, C, B, A sharp, B. All of that section nice and slow. Ready, and. Okay, measure 33 repeats the same dotted half note, B. Lots of bow, very beautiful vibrato, and then back to tremolo. We have E, again, find that fourth position. Think of fourth finger. B, C, D. Fourth position. We have E, D, C, B, now C sharp. So right before letter E, now we've changed to A major. We have the notes are C sharp, B, C, B, C, B, C. Okay, then right at letter E, we have the notes are E, F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, F. Again, nice and slow. Okay, and if you notice the bowing, we're slurring three notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try that. Okay, measure 40 is the exact same. Again, next measure is the same. Now this next measure changes just a little bit. We have the same first three notes. Now the scale continues, A, B, C sharp. So right there before letter F, we have D. Let's try to be now in fifth position. Our first finger is on C sharp. Second finger is on D. You can check with the open string. Listen for intonation. We have So D, E, E. I like to use first finger. A, F natural, E. If that part is a little bit too difficult, I suggest taking it down an octave at letter E. I didn't write it out, but it would be like this. The important part is to get it in tune and sounding nice. If you're guessing the notes and it sounds really scratchy and wild, just play it down the octave and practice until you can get that higher octave. Moving on, we're at letter F. We have D, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, again D, C sharp. Now this next part is where the falsetto comes in. Ya no te acuerdas. Okay, so first let's talk about the notes. We have B, E, G sharp, B, and then I like to play the harmonic E. You get that little ring. Again. Okay, now where this part comes in relation to the voice, ya no te acuerdas. Acue is on beat 1. Ya no te 1, 2. And it's important to follow the voice because sometimes they take a longer breath or they're like really feeling the song and they don't come in yet. And then you come in with adorno anyway. That's wrong. You always have to follow the voice. Then we get to the first ending. Again, wait for the voice. De aquel ayer, 2. Okay, so ya no te acuerdes de aquel. Ayer is on beat 1. Yer, right when they say yer. Ya no te acuerdes de aquel 1, 2. Then you go back to the beginning, you repeat the whole thing, everything. And now instead of going to the first ending, second time around, we jump to the second ending. So we're holding out that note. Then fermata, all of the music stops. And the singer takes however long they want. De aquel, again, ayer. When they say yer, that's beat 1. De aquel 1. This is the same part that we played in the beginning. Let's just review the notes. We have E, D, E, E, D, C, B, A. Now it's different. Armonía changes to A major and we hold out A, C sharp, and A. So let's try all of that from the second ending. De aquel 1. And that's it. Now you know Cielo Rojo in the Gaiki A minor. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.